Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafting Apron. My name is Tina Cohen. I'm going to do a quick video here just to let you know what's coming up on my channel. I am going to be redecorating my back porch, turning it into a crafting garden area. It's going to be DIYs that are going to be very useful for me to pull out to make sure I have everything that I need in keeping all my crafts in order, because if you know anything about crafting, and you do because you're watching this channel, that you have so many things. I just need everything to have a place, but I have this back porch that's just a hot mess, so I cannot wait to turn all my DIYs into redecorating this back porch. And I hope that I can give you some inspiration for your rooms that you're looking to decorate. Now, I'm also going to be taking a look at a lot of the crafting videos that are out now, and chances are what I'll do is if I see something that I like, I'll make it my own, but I'll certainly reference the video in each video that I do of who inspired me for the projects that I do, if they're not on my own off the top of my head. So I want to make sure that I'll also give credit where credit is due, because there are so many veteran crafters out there that have some really great ideas that are so gracious that they share with us, that I want to make sure that I give them the credit. So if you're not subscribing to my channel, please do so. I don't think you're going to want to miss out on this. I'm going to keep a tally of what each item costs to make, and then at the very end I'll have a video of what the back porch looks like all redecorated and what it cost in total to do. So please, if you're not subscribing to my channel, don't miss out on this. It's going to be a lot of fun. Go on this journey with me, and then if you have any ideas as time goes on, share with me, and perhaps maybe I'll use some of your ideas, because obviously I can't come up with them all on my own for everything. It's nice to get inspired by fellow crafters. So I am so looking forward to this. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already doing so you don't miss out on any of these videos. And until then, have a great week. Thanks. Bye.